The sun is dipping low behind the emerald hill. The world is turning quiet and the air is standing still. I leave my heavy burdens by the old mahogany tree and walk across the silver sand to meet the rising sea. The rhythm of the water is a song I used to know, teaching me the secret of the steady ebb and flow. No need to rush the moment or to chase the fading light. Everything is beautiful and everything is right. Feel the island breeze of peace blowing through your soul. Let the golden sun set fire, make your spirit whole. Like the palm trees swaying gentle in the evening air. Cast away your shadows and your every heavy care. Just a little bit of healing in the rhythm and the rhyme. Walking on the ocean shore and taking back our time. I hear the distant woodblock and the organ's velvet tone, a melody that tells me that I'm never quite alone. The salt is on my skin and there is honey in the wind. This is where the healing of the weary heart begins. I see the purple clouds dancing on a canvas made of gold, a story of a quiet grace that's never been quite told. Of jasmine and the scent of falling rain. Wash away the memory of the struggle and the pain. Feel the island breeze of peace blowing through your soul. Let the golden sun set fire, make your spirit whole. Like the palm trees swaying gentle in the evening air. Cast away your shadows and your every heavy care. Just a little bit of healing in the rhythm and the rhyme. Walking on the ocean shore and taking back our time. Softly now the stars appear like diamonds in the deep, while a busy world above is falling fast asleep. There is power in the stillness and a magic in the calm. For every broken feeling there is nature's cooling balm. Feel the island breeze of peace blowing through your soul. Let the golden sun set fire, make your spirit whole. Like the palm trees swaying gentle in the evening air. Cast away your shadows and your every heavy care. Just a little bit of healing in the rhythm and the rhyme. Walking on the ocean shore